Amazon has launched the AI Ready initiative, offering free training programs catering to individuals without a tech background to bridge the AI skills gap. One of the courses under this initiative is the Amazon Web Services Generative AI Scholarship, specifically designed for traditionally marginalized students. This program seeks to widen access to AI education. Amazon's partnership extends to Code.org, jointly crafting diverse courses offering introductory sessions on prompt engineering, building large language models, and delving into low-code machine learning. Highlighting the significance of AI skills, recent AWS research revealed that 73% of surveyed employers consider these abilities as a crucial asset. Moreover, the study suggested a potential salary boost of up to 40% for those equipped with AI proficiency. The Oxford Internet Institute's independent study echoes these findings, affirming the growing demand and impact of AI skills in the job market. According to global data surveys from 2021 to 2023, AI holds the top spot as the most disruptive technology across various sectors. Their recent executive briefing pinpointed generative AI as the fastest growing tech of 2023.